thank you very much for watching. Last time I spoke about how much succulent your sunlight needs. Today I'm going to speak about the soil that I use, and which I think is the best soil to use, because over the years I've always had customers telling me, you know what, Hein, thank you so much, we bought this plant and it is still living today. A lot of our customers say that they always buy from nurseries that when you bring it home they die, and I can't believe how nice it feels, or how nice to know that the succulents that I grow and sell actually grow. So I want to share that with you today, and then watch till the end of the video because it's a sneak peek for the next video. Enjoy the video. Now, this is also a common question: what soil do I use? And it's really simple, and it's a nice way to remember it is 1 to 3. I use 1 sand, swimming pool filter sand, to 3 sifted compost, and then it gives these succulents the nice basis to actually grow. And remember, these are desert roses. Many of these come from the desert, where they grow in sand, quick draining soil. They grow in between rocks. So you want to create this environment in the pot so that they can actually grow the way that they're supposed to be. Another question that I often get asked is, do I use fertilizer? And straight up, no. I am I don't want to say organic, because organic has got so many trendy things associated with it, but you don't need fertilizer to make your plants look so nice. I mean, look at this donkey tail. I don't use any fertilizer. It's simply in my soil, which is 1 swimming pool filter sand to 3 soil, or sifted compost. It's that easy to grow your succulents. And I want to show you just underneath the table. This is my soil mix that I use, and you can see the pieces of sand in between. Now, if I run it through my fingers like that, it should all run out. A lot of succulent mixes has got big pieces of bark, and the big pieces of bark retain the moisture, and so that's really not something that you want. So you need to just sift your soil, any potting soil that you buy. You need to sift it so that there's no big chunks. I mean, look at that. So that the water can get out and then it can grow. Like, look at these succulents. They literally grow everywhere. If I had to lift this up, look what is growing. Yeah, wow, yeah. I can speak about succulents all day, like I did today at my open day. If you're watching this, you really need to come see it. I'm in Port Elizabeth. And if you're not in Port Elizabeth, or you can't see it, well, stay tuned to my Facebook channel or my YouTube channel, Succulent Academy. Really excited to carry on with that. Soil composition, that's basically that is the same. Remember, 1 to 3. It's so easy to remember. 1 soil to 3. 1 sand to 3 soil. Remember that one. Alright, I'm just gonna switch over to another question while you wait. But this is again some pictures that I took. Look at this one. Wow. Now, earlier in the video I spoke about one that was in the shade, and just notice how small in between the leaves are. This means that this one's getting enough sun. It's got nice color, red tips, lacquer. Look at this thing. This thing is really looking good in the pot. And just to touch on this one quickly, you see that this one's leaves are a lot smaller than that one, because this plant is a lot older than that plant. This plant has also got more red. That one has got less red. It's because this one is stressing and that one is not stressing. It's still living a lacquer life. It actually looks so good in a hanging basket. And then you can also always just trim that if you find that it's getting a tiny bit too big. I actually have a succulent video on my Succulent Academy about how to cut succulents, and the easy 4-step process about how to cut the succulents. Why is my succulent stretching? It's stretching because it is not getting enough light. The succulents that are stretching, it means that they don't get enough